Hello visitors, welcome to the Google Apps training tutorials by TechFree Solutions. This is Ashwin and in this video I am going to explain you about the filters and how to forward all your mails in a Gmail from your account to another account in Gmail. So first of all, coming to the filters. Filters may be defined as a special feature in Gmails used for organizing your mails based on the sender's address, or it may be any particular content of a message or any subject. So for creating a filter in a Gmail, there are several options. Let us see each one of them. First of all, after logging in into your account, in the right upper corner, click on this gear icon and then go to the settings. And then here you can see here a section of filters. Just click on that. Currently I have no filter in my mails, so if I want I can create a new filter. Just click on this. So I have several options here. See, if you see here, the from, that means I need to give a name of any email address or any of my contacts to give a filter from based on the names. If I give it, I can select this, or else I can just give here two address. That means I can create filter to the mails I have sent. I'll just give it, or else you can give the subject line of your mails, for example, or else you can specify the particular content of your mails. That means if any particular mail contains any particular message or any content or words, then that should be specified. And you can also give the mails which doesn't have any particular words, and here you have an option to just select the messages that has attachment like any PDFs or any documents in your mails. If I just click on this, then it's enabled, otherwise just leave it. And here we can also enable the messages which don't include chats. Just can choose from the checkbox. Then here, after finishing your details, just click on this thing, create filter with the search. See, here the details appears, the conditions which you have given, the options which you have chosen all appears in the top. This is from this particular email to this email, and then subject is test mail. See, all the conditions that I have given appears here on the top. So if I click here, I have several options to do with this filter. You can skip this inbox, that means archive it, and if I want I can make all the mails starred. Then I can even apply a label to that, and I can even forward it to a different address. I can delete it if I want it. Then I can make it not to go to spam in any case. Then I can even make it as important mail, and even I can categorize as different section here. And after choosing the required options here, you can just click on this create filter if you want. And here, if you see this option, this thing says us to select if there are any conversations already present in your mailbox matching the above constraints. So if you want, you can just enable it or disable it. So currently I'm just removing this. And this is the first way of creating the filters. The second way is that if you choose any particular mail and you just click on the more drop down menu, here you can see an option filter messages like this. If you just click on this, see the similar menu appears, and the mail is also already being edited here. That means the previous message was from this email, so I can directly select this one and just create a filter with the search. And this is the second way of doing the filters. And one more way is that instead of going to all the settings and opening all the mails, you can just click this drop down menu in the search bar. This is the advanced search option in your Gmail. So the similar menu appears again, and here if you see this, you can see an option here, date within 1 day, that means it shows all the mails within a certain period. You see here 1 day, 3 days and up to 1 year it can store the mails in your mailbox and apply filter to that. So in this way you can apply filters to your mails. And coming to the second part of this video, that is forwarding your mails to a different address. Even in this there are two ways of doing it. The first thing is that, again, go to the settings, the gear icon, and go to the settings. Here if you see, there is a section forwarding and pop IMAP. If you see here in the forwarding section, you can see an option, add a forwarding address. So you can just click on this if you want, and then you can give a mail address of this. For example, if I am giving this in case if you want to be your mails forwarded to this address, you can give it and click on the next button. You see it's being confirmed. Then you can click on proceed, then click on the OK. So a confirmation code is being sent to it. Then you can verify this by just entering the code which is being received in the other email address. In this way you can forward a mail to it. Otherwise, just remove address, click on OK again if you want to remove it. And yes, see, you can even forward your mails by creating a filter here. Again, just creating a filter, yes, can directly give it. Example, I'm giving it the same mail address. Just click on the click filter, create filter. See, as I've said earlier, you have an option here, forward it. If you click on this thing, wait a minute, here again, see, you can add a forwarding address to this again. So yes, it is being redirected to the same page again. So in this way you can forward all your mails to a different email address. So friends, thanks for watching. This is it for this video, and please subscribe to our channel, and please give your feedback on this video, and thank you.